Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry building techniques and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
From the laser cut cardstock sheet, part number 32539, we're going to remove this inner ring right here. This ring will be glued on the back of the transition, and this provides a bulkhead so that the ejection charge will push the nose off instead of pushing the capsule off. Now, we've made a change in the kit. In the old version, the ring gets glued on the outside. In the new version, the ring will fit on the inside of the tube. They're both do the same thing. It's just to provide a bulkhead. So if your ring fits on the inside, put a ring of glue just on the inside edge, and if it's on the outside, just glue it on there, right there like that, using wood glue. And then just allow that to dry.